Hey everybody, it's Jimmy here with J Park Carolina Living. Hope you're having a good day. Here's a spring cleaning checklist for sellers if you're thinking about putting your house on the market. And there's three categories here. The first one, you want to make your house inviting. Number two, you want to show that it's cared for. And number three, you want to boost curb appeal. So on this infographic for making it inviting, we have open your blinds or curtains to let the light in, check light bulbs and replace as needed, take down personal photos or items, fix anything that's broken, and give each room a clear purpose. Another thing that I always recommend is in your entryway, remove any obstacles. A lot of people like to have a little table right there and right next to the front door so they can drop their keys. But really you want to have a wide open visual as much as you can. So removing stuff that causes clutter, you definitely want to do that too. As far as showing that your house is cared for, clean your vents and baseboards, very important. Vacuum, mop, or sweep floors. Declutter throughout the house. Organize your countertops, cabinets, and closets. Now for photos, I love having clear counters. So a lot of the things that you think are decorative that might look nice and be functional in your day-to-day don't show up as nice in professional photos. And the goal is to get as many people interested in the house as possible to come see the house. And then finally, touch up any scuffs on the walls. Now finally, you want to boost the curb appeal. So you want to eliminate any possible objections when people first walk up to the house. So power washing all of your outdoor surfaces is important. Obviously clean the windows inside and out. Tidy up the landscaping. So right now we're in the middle of March. It's a great time to plant some flowers and add some color outside. Freshen up your entry. If you need to repaint that front door, it's a good time to do that as well. And then sweep your patios, decks, and walkways. So this list is going to help get you started, but there might be other to-do items for your specific home. So to find out what else you need to do, let's connect and make sure that your house shows well this season. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching this video, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/thecltlife. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next video.